welcome back to my channel. I am Lay, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this look here with this headband wig from Beauty Forever Hair. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. Okay guys, so I was sent this wig by Beauty Forever Hair on Amazon. So this is somewhat of a sponsored video, but just know that everything that I'm saying in this video is 100% my own opinion. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I'm a hair person and I don't want you guys having bad hair. And pretty much if this hair wasn't good, you would get no video, period. But anyways, this is the headband wig that I received from them. They gave me a few choices of wigs. Like I could have chosen a T-part wig, which is like basically a frontal, but you only get the edges and a little part here for your middle part. Or I could have got a couple of different headband wigs or just a regular closure wig, but I've done closure wig before, so it's really a toss-up between the headband wig and the T-part wig. This is a 18-inch highlighted wig, which I think is like perfect for the summertime because, you know, the color, all the options pretty much, and everything that you guys need to know about this hair will be linked down below. If you guys want to see the specs and everything, like the unboxing, me styling this hair, me putting on this hair and everything else, my thoughts and opinions, then please stay tuned. Okay guys, so we're gonna get right into it. As I said earlier, I got a headband wig, so I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. It came in this bag here. It says Beauty Forever. So it came with the wig and a headband. I also got a little goodie bag filled with the wig cap, eyelashes, earrings, and a comb. So this is my first time trying a headband wig. I ended up getting a 18-inch and it has highlights throughout it. Okay. I'm nervous. It's my first time trying one. So I'm just gonna lay my baby hairs down. I'll put everything that I'm using in the description box below, except for this one that I'm using right here because I don't really care for them. I had a bad experience with them as far as delivery goes, but like unfortunately the product is decent. So yeah. But yeah, I'm just gonna lay my baby hairs down. Okay guys, this is where we left off at. I basically just finished my edges and now I'm gonna apply the wig. So this is where it falls. It's kind of like a little bit past armpit length. Oh no, it's like bra strap a little bit, but for the most part it's armpit length on me. So I'm gonna put some curls in it because I need some body. And as you guys can see, it's kind of like, it's not like the thickest thing. The density is, I don't even know what the density is, but it's not like super thick. It's probably like a 150 density. I'll have to look at the specs. But yeah, I'm just gonna do some wand curls. I'm going to add a little bit of this Silk Remedy by Generic Value Products. It's kind of like the Sally's version of the Chi. Literally just gonna put the smallest amount throughout the hair, and I'm just gonna wand curl the entire head. I'm gonna be using this wand curler from, I think it's Conair. So this is what I'm gonna be using. I'm just going to be wand curling my hair. So we're gonna speed this up and I'll come back with the final look. So before I get into like breaking up the curls, I'm just going to put the wig back because we don't need it to be all the way up here, but we were kind of like laying our edges at the same time. So put this back a little bit. And I'm actually going to fold it to make it a little bit thinner because the headband that I'm going to be using is going to be a little bit thinner. It's not going to be this thick. This is the one that it came with. I think I showed you guys that earlier. Yeah, this will pretty much, it's kind of like this, you know. And this is a headband that I'm going to use because it kind of matches my shirt just a little bit. Okay, so this is what the headband wig is looking like right now. Now I'm just going to brush these waves out a little bit and just pretty much make this look like something. Okay, so this is what it's looking like now after I brushed it out. I want to put on some earrings really quick to just like, you know, finish the look. Some earrings and some lip gloss, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is the finished look after I added my earrings and my lip gloss, you know, get a little cute with this hairstyle. So this is what it looks like after I put the wand curls in it. It holds a nice little curl. It curls really nicely. It's still pretty soft. All I put in it was that generic cheese silk infusion, and I curled the hair. And I just think it's really, really cute. Only thing that I don't like is that it's not that thick. I think it's like a 150 density. Let me check, because I said I would check. I don't think it tells me what it is, but if I had to guess, I would say like 150, because I have a wig that's 180 and it's a lot thicker than this. So I would say it's about a 150, but I mean, it's still cute, especially when you put your curls in it and your waves, and it jazzes it up. But you definitely do not have to do what I did to the hair. You can just pretty much wear it straight out the box with the waves and everything, or you can do it straight. It just depends on what you want to do. But anyways, I do like this wig. It's my first time trying a headband wig. Like, I don't know, you guys tell me what you think in the comments below. I really like the color too. They did a good job with this highlight. It's the summertime, so this color is definitely good for the summer. I've already been wearing my little highlighted wigs, so it's working out. So yeah, I definitely would recommend this hair. All my links for this hair and this wig will be down below, so you guys can go check it out. And yeah, if you guys like this video, if it was helpful for you guys, be sure to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.